few years ago, I had seen the ones with handles for boot camps. I'm not talking about those. We're talking the bigger, unwieldy bags. Literally every person I talk to who has given them a solid shot now trains with them on a regular basis. Why? They expose and create strength in parts of your body you didn't even know you were missing. And after a while, when all those gaps are filled and the whole body feels connected, no weak links holding you back, you feel different, almost superhuman. So instead of going to a crowded, overstimulating fluorescent lit gym 2 years